Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. My name is Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 7 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. We are more than halfway through and we have even more fun and exciting projects to share with you. For today's project, I created these adorable vintage mini purse treat boxes using a digital file by My Scrap Chick. A few months ago, I did a video and a tutorial using the larger box, and these treat boxes are much smaller and perfect for Halloween candy, a small gift, or embellishments. I also used a new digital paper collection that was created by my friend Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. The collection is called Witches, and I can't wait to share it with you. It is so much fun. Before we review these treat boxes, let's take a peek at Rosa's new collection. This paper collection comes with a variety of ephemera and beautiful page designs that are perfect for any Halloween project. And best of all, Rosa has created the witches in different skin tones. On the first page, we have these adorable two witches that are conjuring up something special. We have this witch here with a little cat, and then I love this one. We have a little witch who's sitting on a moon, and she also includes sentiments. This says witch's brew, Halloween, spooky, and trick or treat. The next page, you have this sexy witch who's on her broomstick, and we have this little witch here who's sitting on top of a pumpkin with her little jack-o'-lantern and her cat. And some of the other sentiments say, you say witch like it's a bad thing. There's a little witch in all of us. And you also have a fun little statement that says, when witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whisper, 'tis near Halloween. On this page, we have the brown skin witches. This is the first page of the design. You have an all-over print with this little girl and her cat on her shoulder. This is so vintage. I love it. On this page, you have an all-over print of the little girl who's sitting on the moon. You have your black and orange polka dot. These fun stars. You have large and small stars. And you receive signature pages. This has the broad black and white stripe and this little witch here in the corner. This page has the polka dots and the witch on her broom in the corner. We have these adorable witches here in the corner. And then you have this fun star pattern with a little girl sitting on the moon. This page, you have a silhouette of a witch on her broomstick. You have vertical black stripes, orange polka dots. Here you have a black background with orange polka dots, and then orange and black stripes. So let's take a closer look at these adorable little purses. I had so much fun working on them, and I just love this paper collection. This was really easy to make. I will be sure to include a link to my original purse tutorial that shows you step by step how to make this. On the front here, we have this adorable little witch and her cat. I have a black rosette in the background, and this rosette is also from My Scrap Chick. We have this fun orange and black polka dot paper in the background, a little sentiment that says the witch is in. And because this paper collection has more of a vintage vibe, we have these two little wooden buttons here and then a black rhinestone here. And on the side, we have these fun layered bows. We've got this orange and black harlequin pattern. We've got this ivory lace crochet trim in the background. And then I made this fun little tassel also using a My Scrap Chick file. I think this is called Pretty Paper Tassels. On the side, I used this fun star paper. And on the back, I use this thick black and white striped paper with this fun little image. Let me show you the inside. To close this, I have little mini magnets here. And I just left the inside empty. I'm going to fill this with white crinkled paper and then some fun embellishments. The next purse that I created is this adorable little girl on the moon. She has a white rosette in the background and then this fun star paper in the back. It says trick or treat. We have more of these fun buttons on the bottom. On the side, I use this orange and black striped paper, and then we have another double layered bow. This orange says trick or treat, and then I have a black and white gingham. And then these fun little gemstones, these are little bats. And then I have this fun paper tassel, and this is the back. The last purse that I created has these adorable witches over the cauldron. I use this black with the orange polka dot and then the white and orange striped paper. It says Boo. We've got more buttons here. On the side, we have more of that polka dot. On the top, I did use the orange and black stripe. And then we have another layered bow. We have back here bats, and then we have this orange and white gingham pattern. And then if you look closely, you can see this faceted gem here, but behind it, it has a little kitty. And then we have another fun tassel. And this is what it looks like on the back. This concludes my review of my vintage mini treat boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Be sure to join me tomorrow for day 8 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Also, don't forget to stop by and visit Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking and Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick for more fun Halloween ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.